Public-private partnerships and digital transformation, a new approach to local development in Tunisia. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Nowadays, faced with various challenges, the territory is at the heart of every development strategy. Indeed, it represents the focus of public action, a domain where institutional and non-institutional policymakers, as well as development practitioners, contribute. Local development relies on its ability to improve living standards within territories and enhance their economic attractiveness to foreign investments. However, achieving this goal requires the implementation of a set of tools that integrate managerial, relational, and legislative dimensions. These tools are closely linked to innovation and the ability of local authorities to leverage technologies, particularly information and communication technologies, ICT. Digitalization plays a crucial role in transforming territories by strengthening their attractiveness at various levels, simplifying administrative procedures, and fostering social cohesion. In this context, digital technology has become central to the modernization strategy of the Tunisian administration. Various initiatives have been launched to bring public services closer to citizens, enhance procedural transparency, and combat corruption. This chapter examines the relationship between digital innovation and local development, emphasizing the impact of this dynamic on territorial transformation. To achieve this, theoretical proposals have been developed to better understand this relationship. The study adopts an interpretivist paradigm underpinned by an abductive reasoning approach. Given the multifaceted nature of digital transformation in local governance, the aim is to develop a nuanced understanding of how digitalization is affecting local development in Tunisia. To address the complexity of the subject matter, an exploratory qualitative methodology has been employed, integrating both primary and secondary data sources to capture a comprehensive view of the ongoing transformation. The findings reveal several obstacles hindering the effectiveness of public-private partnerships, PPPs, based on digital innovation. Nevertheless, efficient management of digital resources can have a significant impact on local and territorial development, particularly within the Tunisian context. In the public sector, the adoption of digital tools is a pivotal element for administrative success. For digital transformation to effectively bridge the gap between administration and citizens, it requires strong leadership commitment. The conclusion provides valuable insights into development models in a state undergoing transformation. While the adoption of digital technologies in Tunisia, especially through PPPs, has demonstrated substantial benefits in terms of economic and administrative efficiencies, there remains a critical need for ongoing research to refine the measures of innovation and better understand the interplay between resource mobilization, innovation, and territorial development. Introduction. This research explores the role of digital innovation in local development, specifically within the context of Tunisia. Public-private partnerships, PPPs, have long been a way for governments to work with private companies to improve public services. But the introduction of digital technologies like AI, blockchain, and big data is creating new opportunities to transform how regions grow and develop. As Tunisia navigates post-revolution challenges, there's a growing need for effective territorial strategies that use digital tools to improve governance, enhance public services, and attract investment. This study looks at how digital technologies can be used in territorial development projects, focusing on their benefits, challenges, and key success factors. It also examines how Tunisia can adapt international best practices from smart cities and regional innovation hubs to fit its own unique needs. By understanding the connection between technology and territorial development, the research aims to offer valuable insights into how digital tools can help create more dynamic, efficient, and resilient local economies. Ultimately, the goal is to provide practical recommendations for leveraging technology to drive sustainable growth and improve the quality of life in rapidly developing regions. Conclusion. This research looks at how digital technologies can improve local development, particularly in Tunisia. The study highlights the importance of using digital tools in the public sector, where they can help improve efficiency, reduce wait times, and simplify access to services for citizens. Successful digital transformation requires strong leadership, adequate resources, and a clear strategy. The findings show that public-private partnerships, PPPs, are an effective way to bring digital innovations to local businesses and communities, supporting sustainable development. However, the research also points out that measuring innovation in small and medium-sized enterprises, SMEs, is challenging, and further work is needed to understand the full impact of digitalization. The study calls for more research into how resources can be better mobilized and how digital tools can influence both organizational efficiency and broader social and economic growth.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.